Okay, so this is the guaranteed issue life insurance plan. This is a guaranteed acceptance life insurance policy from Gerber Life Insurance Company. I'm sure you've heard of them before, been around forever, very reliable company, A-rated, all that good stuff. But these plans are perfect for individuals who otherwise would be declined for life insurances. So briefly here, it's very simple. This is the brochure for this plan. It's a very simple plan. It covers individuals from 50 to 80 years of age. It doesn't mean it cancels at 80. The plan is never canceled unless you just stop paying the monthly premium. But individuals from the ages of 50 to 80 can apply and be approved for this plan. And again, it is guaranteed acceptance. So unless, as long as a person's alive, they'll get covered by this plan. So very simple here. Let's shoot down and look at the pricing and coverage options. So I want to explain here a couple key points on their brochure. So again, you cannot be turned down regardless of your health. As long as you're between the ages of 50 and 80 years of age right now, you can apply and become covered. The coverage amounts are anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000 of coverage. Most people are getting this plan at least just to cover their basic burial cremation expenses. Average cost of a cremation is right around $3,500. Average cost of a funeral is right around $9,500, $9,500. There are no medical exams required, as you can see here on the brochure. And beneficiary proceeds are generally non-taxable. So in most instances, the life insurance policy payout to the beneficiary is not taxed, as well as your premiums will never increase. So if you're paying, $40 a month, it'll always stay that way. It'll never change regardless of your age, and nobody can ever take it from you. So how does this work? Well, it says right here, your death benefits will be graded for the first 2 years. Very simple. It says Gerber Life guarantees acceptance of applicants ages 50 to 80, and it's made possible because they can grade the death benefit. How does that function? Very simple. If somebody passes away in the first 2 years of having the plan, then all the premiums that were paid every month for that plan go directly to the beneficiary with an additional 10% of the premium. So the immediate response there is, oh, I can get coverage immediately. Yes, the plan takes effect immediately. Once you're over that 2-year period, then you're fully covered. Okay. So you only have to just be alive for 24 months and then you're fully covered. If you pass away in the first 24 months, then you didn't miss out on anything because all of that money goes back to the beneficiary with an additional 10%. So they still gain money regardless of when the person passes away. Now, the pricing is very simple. There's a chart right here, and it goes in intervals of decades. So, for instance, a 50-year-old male, $22.50 can get $5,000 of coverage. Let's look at $10,000 of coverage. 50-year-old male, $44. 50-year-old female, $34.47 for $10,000 of coverage. And you can see it moves in intervals here. A 60-year-old female for $10,000 of coverage, $51.06. So I know a lot of people are expecting super, super high prices. This isn't it. Gerber has a great guaranteed issue life insurance plan. Doesn't matter the health, but this is it for you. So you can go ahead and click below and an advisor will reach out. And I know this is only in intervals of ages of 10 here. So I'm assuming most of you are going to fall somewhere between the 50 and 60, 60 and 70, so on and so forth. So we can actually pinpoint exactly which age you are in the specified coverage amount, and it's that simple.